Hi, I am Masood Faruqi. Thanks for admiring my first tutorial video of this series and providing valuable feedback for bringing improvements. In this video, we will learn about the graphic display interface of GASWorkS, which is the main screen where you will create your gas network model and perform analysis. Let's start, now. This is menu bar. File menu. It contains most of the commands related to file management and setting preferences. By clicking the File menu, a drop-down menu will appear which will consist of several file-related operations and preferences-related commands. Edit menu. Contrary to other software's edit menu in which usual options are cut, copy, and paste, the GASWorkS edit menu consists of project information and mass data update with easy-to-use graphic queries and a data modification routine. Other than this, it also contains key project databases which consist of material and equipment data, type of facility, and data list definitions. These tables are customizable. For example, in the property table, data is categorized into 6 tabs: pipe, regulator, fittings, valve, compressors, and well. The information in each tab can be added, modify or delete according to user requirements. Analysis menu. The next menu item is Analysis. By clicking it, a drop-down menu will be opened showing 3 or 4 options. The first one is Solve Single Model. Selecting this option, Solution Data window will be opened. This is used for setting parameters to finally perform a network solution. Second, it is Calculate Gas Properties. This is an important feature of this software. It helps design a more accurate network if the gas composition is already known, and subsequently it will calculate and provide important parameters to be in designing. The third option will only appear if an external software is required to be attached, like Calculator or GasCalc, another software from BIP LLC. This software contains a variety of functions and routines which augment GASWorkS software. Report menu. The Reports menu is one of the most useful items. It contains important network components like pipe, nodes, and customer information, which you can enter, edit or delete, and after solving the network, all the process data is also populated in these tables for interpretation. In the Reports menu, there are 2 other items that are also of importance. First is System Summary and the second is Report Option. System Summary provides a bird's-eye view of the solved project, whereas in Report Option the precession of an integer can be set, and in the second tab, Others, you can set different report options as desired. Graphic menu. Now look at the graphic menu. It contains important routines to deal with various graphics operations. View/edit command will switch on GDI screen if it is set off. The setting command will open a window having different display settings regards to pipe, nodes, and various information. In addition, some options related to general display settings are also provided. The background setting command is very useful. It helps import background graphic maps on which the gas network overlays. These maps can be adjusted as per ground dimensions in order to exactly overlay the correct length of the pipeline. The rest 2 commands are for exporting GDI image for other applications. Utilities menu. This menu contains default settings, advanced commands for data manipulation, and import/export of maps and data to and from other applications. Window menu. Windows menu. This will show you a number of open windows for the easy switchover. Commands toolbar. Provide a user-friendly environment to users for the construction of the gas pipeline network structure quickly and precisely. Let's start from the top of toolbar. This tool uses to cancel any command which is in process. These tools are used to undo and redo several editing commands. Graphic Construction Commands toolbar contains different tools for constructing the pipeline and attaching valves, regulators, fittings, and compressors. A single pipeline segment deletion tool is also available. Graphic Edit Commands toolbar consists of a pipeline tapping, adding another pipe, tool and various line editing tools. The Network View control bar is used for viewing a network partially or completely, as per the desire of the user. Data Edit Command toolbar provides the facility to run various graphic selection tools including display control of various flags. After making the selection, by right mouse button click a window containing set to tabs and commands will appear. A user can choose and execute commands as required. The Display Control toolbar provides a facility to change the appearance of graphic entities with respect to their color, visibility, and other display parameters. Customer Commands toolbar allows users to add, delete and modify customers, run different queries, attach customers to the pipeline, and customer display controls. User Text toolbar adds text as comments about the network as per user discretion. User Graphic toolbar, a user can place graphic annotations on the GAS network under study. The GDI display toolbar provides users to control the display of the GDI workplace. GASWorkS provide different sets of tools to print and for checking the connectivity of the network, measure distances, customize another set of commands toolbar, and map digitization devices. Always look at the manual command input bar, next to the Cancel tool, for more options. GDI Settings and Data Panel Lists. The Data Panel is an important feature of GDI. This panel is divided into two sections: Settings and Actions. From the Settings section, various settings windows can be directly approached and different settings can be performed according to user needs. Whereas in the Actions section, other than two available commands, additional commands can also be added according to the ease of use. It should be noted that whenever a pipeline, node, or customer-related command is executed or any entity is selected, its associated property data including the process data will appear over here. These data can be modified from here. The GDI command list presents all of the GDI commands in two different formats. One is an alphabetic list, and the other is a grouped list in a treed format. When the alphabetic list is displayed, begin typing the GDI command in the data field. As the command is typed, any GDI commands with matching characters will be displayed. Select the desired GDI command. To execute, Axis icon. Axis icon can be turned on or off from the options list of graphic settings checkmark. Axis icon has two states. First, plan view showing only X and Y plan, and second is isometric view showing X, Y and Z axes. To change from one plan to another plan view, use the GDI command list and select commands display plan view or display isometric view as desire. Snap mode. The snap mode helps joining of two entities if they are within predefined range. The range can be set from graphic settings, then feature snap ratio and by selecting appropriate number. Whenever a new line is added and the initial node is within the snap circle range, connectivity can be created. Snap command works same as in any CAD software. Quick Solve. A Sigma icon is used to quick solve the model. When clicked, the model will be solved using the last solution data parameter values. Solve. A balance icon is used to display the state of the model and allows the solution to be executed. The icon indicates whether the model is balanced, blue balanced scale, or unbalanced, red unbalanced scale. When a change is made to the model data, the model is considered to be unbalanced. When clicked, the solution data window will be displayed. Set desired parameters, and select Solve to run the simulation. The icon is located in the lower right corner of the GDI window. Symbols. During the construction of the GAS network, these symbols are used. Each symbol has its own properties. Except for node and customer symbols, the rest belongs to the property table. Nodes are the connecting points between the two entities. About the symbols, we will learn in detail when constructing a GAS network. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Your encouragement will help bring more tutorials on this subject.